Question 2. Always keep an eye on that, because when it's just A, B, C, D, E, it can go wrong, and I'll say it a million times, and you'll hear it a million times, you'll get so fed up with me, and I'll get so fed up with saying it, and yet you stand there in the mock exams and you look at them and you can see that they've got out of sync, and you think, and you're willing them, please don't do this. So I'm sorry if it's tedious, but I cannot tell you how important it is. Right, so let's have a little look. Let's just concentrate on this sort of ball. It's getting sort of squashed or elongated, isn't it? And then elongated and elongated. And the black bit is always at the sort of 10 o'clock kind of position. So let's have a look. Oh, they're all in the 10. Oh, that's wrong, isn't it? So let's get rid of that before we think about it. Written workings. That's wrong, isn't it? That needs it. That's not right. That's too big, because that would, cause it gets sort of like baby. If we went sort of like 1, 2, 4, 5, we want a 3 size, don't we? That to me looks like a 4 size, and besides which it hasn't got the moon. This one is too little. It's the same size as that, so it's not that one. So actually, we've already got our answer B. That's pretty good, isn't it? Let's just go over the moon to show. Can you see? Just look at the points. That way, so then it's going to go that way, then it goes that way, then it goes that way. So we're looking for the moon, which is upright, which that is. And there you have it.